Today we're counting down the top 10 most effective ChatGPT prompts for genealogy research. Prompts designed to help you identify real historical records, uncover overlooked sources, and deepen your family history discoveries across the United States and Europe. Each prompt builds towards the most powerful one at number 1, so stay with me as we move through this countdown. And just so you don't have to write anything down, all 10 prompts are also listed in the description box below. So let's begin. At number 10, ask ChatGPT to help you find published town histories, surname books, and county biographies you may not know exist. Many are digitized in places like the Internet Archive, Google Books, and WorldCat. So here's your prompt. Are there any historical books, family genealogies, or local histories about surname blank in, and then you enter the county or state? These books often contain biographical details and family sketches unavailable in online databases. Number 9. Research both the departure and arrival for emigration and immigration records. Ask ChatGPT to help you locate outbound passenger lists, inbound manifests, and naturalization papers. So here's your prompt. Help me locate all departure records, arrival lists, and naturalization files for someone who left blank for blank around 1880 or whatever you're looking for. Together, these records can provide exact birthplaces, ports of exit, and migration paths. At number 8, school, employment, and institutional records often include details such as grades, occupations, attendance notes, and promotions. So here's your prompt. What school, workplace, or institutional records might exist for someone who was a blank, say student or employee, in, and then put your city, Philadelphia, or wherever, around 19 blank. These records fill in the everyday contexts of your ancestor's life. Number 7. Court and probate records go far beyond wills. They include estate disputes, guardianship cases, civil suits, and petty offenses, each capable of identifying relatives. So here's your prompt. Identify court or probate records set in blank, so you put your set county or state, between, and then you add the years, that might mention my ancestor. These documents often reveal heirs, maiden names, neighbors, and extended family networks. At number 6, Poorhouse, Workhouse, and welfare records can be genealogical gold mines. They often list entire family groups and document hardships in exceptional detail. So here's your prompt. What Poorhouse or Workhouse records exist for someone living in blank, in the, and then add your year? These records frequently contain birthplace information and complete household lists. Number 5. Land records are among the most reliable ways to track family. Deeds, tax lists, valuation rolls, and homestead files often name spouses, heirs, and neighbors. Here's your prompt. What property or valuation records exist for landowners or tenants in blank around, and then put a year range? These materials help verify location, identity, and family relationships. At number 4, Directories provide year-by-year snapshots of your ancestors between censuses. They show occupations, employers, home addresses, and changes over time. So here's your prompt. Help me use city or trade directories for blank to identify households, occupations, and relatives. You may spot widows, adult children, or extended family living nearby. Number 3. Newspapers provide details that official documents often omit. Marriage announcements, obituaries, social events, business ads, and community news. So here's your prompt. Which digital newspapers cover blank during blank, and how can I search them effectively? Even a short article can unlock a missing maiden name or family connection. At number 2, Local archives hold unique sources rarely found online. These include cemetery ledgers, manuscript diaries, early local histories, and church record books. So here's your prompt. What local archives or societies in blank hold manuscripts or records that might mention my ancestor? These repositories are often where genealogical breakthroughs occur. And at number 1, the most powerful prompt you can use. Ask ChatGPT to explore archive catalogs, especially the FamilySearch catalog and National Archives, rather than searchable databases. So here's your prompt. Explore the FamilySearch catalog and National Archive catalogs for all unindexed or partially indexed records for blank county or parish between, and then put your date years. What should I review? This reveals unindexed parish records, microfilmed court minutes, estate files, deed bundles and tax rolls, guardianship and orphan records, and church books not searchable online. These hidden collections contain the records most genealogists never find. These 10 prompts can dramatically expand the records you uncover in your family history research. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more research tools, methods, and in-depth genealogical guidance. And that's it for today, folks. Thank you for watching. Good luck with your research, and I'll see you in the next one.